referring to the same position I was holding and the one that I'm holding.
Position that you are occupying.
Yes.
Thank you. And you will also confirm that from the ruling on page 416, or rather the order on page 416 and 50 of volume 2, volume 2, the Assembly's document.
416?
Yes. Are you there?
I'm there.
Who are the petitioners or the claimants?
The petitioners are Joseph Beria, Paul Mwaki Arimi, Dr. John Toiti, Kenneth Kimathi Mbaye.
And which one are you among those ones?
I'm Paul Mwaki Arimi.
Thank you.
With an incidence of cancer comparable to Meru?
None, because even studies have shown that Meru has the highest incidences of cancer in the Republic of Kenya.
To the best of your knowledge, sir, is there any other place in the world with the higher incidence of cancer per square kilometer? It as an opportunity for our relatives to go on safari?
It will be unexpected.
Would that be a governor who behave like that? Would they be in gross violation of the Constitution?
Definitely, he or she will be in gross violation of the Constitution.
Would they be in breach of their oath of office?
Of course, yes.
Let's go to that page 58 that you mentioned. At paragraph 4, does the governor admit that these people we are talking about are our relatives, at least two of them?
Yes, she has admitted by indicating that one is a security personnel and the other one, the sister, is a personal assistant.
That letter, sorry, Madam Speaker, I've lost track. I'm a short-sighted man, that's why I was requesting for. That document you just read begins at page 57, right?
Yes, it starts at page 57.
At the top, it says it's coming from what office?
County Government of Meru, Office of the Governor.
This is a letter from the Office of the Governor.
Yes.
To whom is it addressed?
The Chief Executive Officer, Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission, Integrity Center.
And what is the date of this letter?
26th October 2022.
So you confirm as of 26th October 2022, there were already issues about the governor's relatives and nepotism and involvement in the county.
I confirm.
Let's go to page 60. What is that document there, sir?
It's a letter addressed to the Governor of Meru, Her Excellency Kawira Mwangaza'S, from the Beijing League Tech Company Limited.
Who is Beijing League Tech Company Limited?
From the letter, it's a company in China that specializes in linear accelerator machines designed to treat cancer.
What does paragraph 1 of that letter say?
It says, we are delighted to invite you and your distinguished members to visit us in China for you to witness and benchmark our state-of-art linear accelerator machines designed and manufactured in China in reference to our planned cancer treatment center in Meru, Kenya.
So this company planned to set up a cancer treatment center in Meru.
Yes.
And in paragraph 2, what type of equipment do they say the governor and our distinguished team should go and benchmark?
Indicate that they will also have an opportunity to visit other medical equipment manufacturer that produces digital radiography, X-ray equipment, and mobile C-arm that they plan to manufacture and assemble in Kenya, preferably in a designated special economic zone.
Let's go to page, I believe, 76. What is that document, sir?
It's a letter from Office of the Deputy President, State Department for Devolution, addressed to the Principal Secretary from the HRM and DO1.
What is this letter requesting? What is it about?
It's about travel clearance to China.
And what does it say?
The county government of Meru has requested for clearance from its county officials to travel to China for a study tour. Beijing League Tech Company will meet all the expenses pertaining this trip. Then it indicates recommended for travel and also forwarded herewith please find letters on the above subject for your consideration and signature.
The letter at page 77, what is it? Where does it emanate from?
It's a letter from the Office of the County Secretary and Head of Public Service.
Addressed to who?
To the Principal Secretary, State Department of Devolution.
And who are the persons indicated as the ones to make this travel to benchmark the cancer equipment?
They are indicated as Dr. George Mungania, who is the CCM Health, Ms. Miriam K. Gwantai, who is the PA to the Governor, Mr. Nefat Kenya Meme, who is the Director External Leakages, and Mr. Murangiri Kenneth, indicated as works under the Department Administration.
To the best of your knowledge, is Dr. George Mungani an oncologist?
No, he is a pharmacist.
To the best of your knowledge, were there people in the county better qualified than this person to go on this trip dealing with the problem threatening the existence of Meru County?
Yes, because the county government of Meru has employed oncologists and also radiographers.
Let's go to the next person, Miriam K. Gwantai. To the best of your knowledge, does this person hold any medical qualifications?
None whatsoever.
Certificate level, any?
None whatsoever.
Diploma level?
None.
Degree level?
None.
Any other level?
None that is known.
Let's go to Nefat Kinyomeme. What are his qualifications?
When he was employed as a pharmaceutical technologist.
To the best of your knowledge, is this a person who would have any knowledge relevant to management of cancer?
None.
This is the same gentleman we saw receiving money regularly?
Yes.
And it's the same gentleman you claim is a brother-in-law to the governor?
Yes.
Let's go to Murangiri Kenneth. Does he hold any training qualifications, even informal, on the management of cancer?
None whatsoever.
Let's go to the letter, page 78. Please read, confirm to us.
Sorry, come again.
Page 78 of volume 2.
Yes.
Is this a letter from the county government of Meru?
Yes, from the office of the Secretary and Head of Public Service.
Addressed to who?
The Principal Secretary, State Department of Devolution.
Can you read the first paragraph?
Following the invitation of the Governor of Meru County by Beijing League Tech Company Limited of Beijing City, the following technical team is hereby released from 7th June to 17th June 2023 to prepare and guide on the following.
We can skip and go to the bottom. What does it say? There is a paragraph just before the names, the line just before the name. What does it say?
The technical team is as follows, and 4 participants are listed.
These are the governor's sister,
yes,
brother-in-law,
yes,
and nephew to the husband.
Yes, and the brother to the governor.
It is clear in that letter the officers are described as a technical team.
It's clearly stated.
To the best of your knowledge, would these people with the qualifications you just told us, even using the most elastic sense of the phrase, be a technical team for purposes of cancer management?
They can't be.
They can't be. Mr. Speaker, I beg we play the videos 2A and 2B in support of count 2. We can play the next one so that we take the questions together. Sir, did you see the governor's relatives that you have mentioned in those two videos?
Yes, I can see them.
Did you see in those videos what on its face appears like highly sophisticated cancer management equipment?
Yes, I've seen one.
People of the qualifications that the governor sent on this trip, would you expect them to know what type of equipment those are and whether they are good for managing cancer?
I don't expect them to know.
As a matter of fact, sir, you yourself, with all your qualifications, would you, looking at those machines, have the capacity to advise the government of Meru whether they are good cancer management equipment?
I have no ability to do that.
To the best of your knowledge, even a lawyer like me, would he be able, even with all the books we have read, be able to form any informed opinion as to whether those are good or bad equipment for managing cancer?
I don't believe so.
Do you know any reason other than the fact that these officials are the governor's relatives, that they were the ones chosen to attend this trip?
I don't know any other reason.
12B of your impeachment motion, you accused the governor of appointing Edwin Mutuma Murangiri as CEO of Meru Youth Service and acting chief officer of the Department of Finance.
Yes.
What did you say are Edwin Mutuma's qualifications?
Edwin Mutuma Murangiri, from the records that I have, was employed as an auditor, cooperatives auditor.
Would such a person be qualified under the laws and policy documents of the Meru County government to be appointed as an acting chief officer?
According to the law, he doesn't meet the qualifications.
Why doesn't he meet the qualifications?
He was never employed or vetted and approved by the county assembly as the chief officer. Therefore, he cannot act in the capacity of a chief officer.
Does he have the qualification to be CEO of Meru Youth Service?
He doesn't have because he was not employed by the board.
Okay. But where is your evidence, sir, that this person was appointed to these offices? And I keep asking you, where is the evidence? Because we were told evidence is not counted. It is weighed. We will weigh it at the end.
The evidence is on pages 92.
Page 92?
Of volume 2, 386 to 389.
Go to page 92. Please confirm that that is an instrument from the office of the governor. What does it read at the top? Where does this document say it emanates?
Office of the governor.
Does it emanate from the office of the county secretary so that we'll be told it wasn't me?
No, but the county secretary has signed on behalf of the Excellency the governor.
Item number 2, Edwin Mutuma Murangiri. What is the nature of the appointment?
He has been moved from Meru Youth Service to Department of Finance Economic Planning to perform the functions of Chief Officer Finance, awaiting a substantive Chief Officer.
What happened to the substantive Chief Officer so that Murangiri, who is a relative of the governor, will be appointed to act?
He was arbitrarily moved after the infamous extracts that we are using to charge the governor leaked to the public.
So after the infamous extract we are relying upon leaked is when he was sacked?
He was moved to another department.
Oh, he was moved to another department?
Yes.
Let's go to page 386 to 389 that you mentioned. What is that document, sir?
It's a memo, an internal memo from the Secretary, County Public Service Board to Her Excellency the Governor, Meru County.
And what does it address?
Submission of nomination list for candidates interviewed for the post of chief officers in the county.
What is the date of this document?
It's dated 11th November 2022.
Is Edwin Murangiri, who we have just seen being designated as acting chief officer, was he even shortlisted?
No.
For that position?
No.
As a matter of fact, did he even apply for it?
I would believe it didn't, because it didn't appear in the long list and also in the short list.
Or the reason he didn't apply be because he was not qualified in the first place?
I believe so.
But you just told us the document at page 92, you have told